Friends, subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon so you're not gonna miss any upcoming effective simple home remedies.
Friends, in that video I'm going to show you look fair, young and beautiful with very simple ingredients, remove wrinkles and get fair milky skin whitening with very simple ingredients at home. It whitening the skin tone and will get you milky fair skin. It's also very effective in getting rid of wrinkles and fine lines, and even if you are over 40, this magical remedy is for you. It works even if you are over 70 years old, yet it still works for you. It removes wrinkles and fine lines and nourishes the skin naturally and whitening the skin tone without causing any side effects, with all natural ingredients and very simple. But before we start out, my friends, it's a request: if it's the first time you see my video and the first time you see my channel, then quickly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way every time I upload new remedy you will be notified to watch it, and you will get so many useful tips from me. So subscribe my channel. Let's get to the remedy. The first ingredient we need is basil leaves, tulsi leaves. I'm going to leave the ingredients into the description box for you, so check it out. Here I have basil leaves grinded fine into a powder, and basil leaves has so many beneficial for our skin. It whitening the skin tone and it removes the wrinkles and fine lines naturally, and it's super effective in getting rid of dark spots, black spots, pigmentation. And my friends, it works like magic. We need to make a paste of these leaves. We need to make a paste of these leaves like so. Once we make a paste, we need to add the second ingredient, which is 1 teaspoon of milk powder. And milk powder super effective in lightening skin tone and nourishes the skin as well. Now mix well the ingredients like so. If you have basil leaves as it is, grind it fine and make a paste of it and add the milk powder like so. And now my friends, our magical remedy is ready. Apply it on your skin like that. Apply it on your face. Massage the skin with it. My friends, the result will amaze you. It is super effective in removing wrinkles and fine lines and have fair milky skin naturally. Your skin will be fair and everyone will wonder what's your secret. Will be your secret.
So that was it, guys, today. Thank you for watching. I hope the video will help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe for more content. I'm trying to upload for you very cool beauty ideas, and also like those. That will help me a lot. And I'll see you in my next video. I love you.